What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. We've got a frustrating video for you guys today. A really annoying, cringy interview from your favorite Uber CEO. Before we jump into this video, we wanted to give a quick shout out to our sponsor, Solo. Solo is the best way to get guaranteed pay, the only way to get guaranteed pay as a gig economy worker. The best part is our viewers will get $10 just for signing up using the link in the description below. So check it out and let's dive in. Alrighty, so Mr. Dara said that as expenses rise and people are paying more for essentials like groceries, they're also signing up to drive for Uber. What an annoying comment. Like, what a freakishly annoying comment. And like every interview, just sits there smiling his way through it, and he says it like it's a good thing. And I'm like, man, there's so many ways you can look at this statement. For one, yeah, they'll sign up. Only the naive ones will stay. I'll say that at this point because the competition's getting ridiculous. It's like a bunch of like homeless men fighting for scraps, and it's sad because you know all these people are going to sign up. They're going to go crazy with it and drive way too much. They're going to destroy their vehicle in the process. And they're going to be left more broke than when they started in a burning economy. And so it's frustrating because, like, I've said very, very adamantly in the last couple of months, like, we should all be doing very part-time driving, very supplemental driving. Full-time is just like a disease at this point, and there is a learning curve, and these people are going to go in, and it's going to take them a long time to figure it out. You, the experienced driver, you know when you should do it, how you should do it. Like, you're past all those pitfalls. This is a bad, bad time to be signing up and driving. And thinking about, like, the audacity of that statement. Proud. He's proud of that statement. In these desperate times, more struggling women turn to OnlyFans to pay the bills. Like, that's the equivalent of the statement. It's obscene to me that he said that. I mean, just ridiculous on so many fronts. So it just, time and time again, this man's character is revealed to us. Who he is revealed to us. What Uber thinks of its drivers revealed to us. We could give a rat's you-know-what about our experienced drivers who give high-quality rides, who are good people, because we have new peasants signing up daily. And that's all we need, is enough new people to continue to sign up, to continually barely get us by, and once we can barely get by enough to where we can switch to autonomous vehicles, which I've said over and over and over again, because that has to be the push. They're never profitable. They have a 3% rate of drivers that stay for more than a year, so they waste all that marketing money to pull in new drivers. I mean, look at it. The writing is on the freaking wall. And he smiles and laughs his way through it. What a joke, man. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Definitely check out Solo. Maybe you can actually make some decent money out there. I hope you guys crushed it out there this week, and stay tuned for more updates.